Welcome to our new video on how to create a stunning flower garden that will make your neighbors jealous. Are you ready to transform your front yard into a breathtaking oasis that will leave everyone in awe? Whether you are a beginner or an experienced gardener, we have tips and tricks that will help you create a stunning flower garden that will make your neighbors green with envy. First, let's talk about the importance of planning. Before you start dining and planting, you need to have a clear vision of what you want your garden to look like. Consider the size, shape, and color scheme of your garden. This will help you choose the right flowers and ensure that your garden looks cohesive and well planned. Next, let's discuss the types of flowers you should choose. Consider the climate and soil and your area, and choose flowers that are well suited for your garden's conditions. Mix and match different types of flowers to create a deserved and visually appealing garden. Don't forget to include different heights and textures to add depth and interest. Now, let's move on the planting and maintaining your garden. Make sure you follow the instructions on the seed packets on plant tags to ensure that your flowers grow healthy and strong. Water your garden regularly and make sure the soil has been drained. You can also add fertilizer to add your flowers grow and bloom. Finally, don't forget to add some personal touches to your garden and decorative elements like rocks, statues, or a fountain to create a unique and personalized look. You can also add lighting to your garden to make it stand out even more. Thanks for watching our video on how to create a stunning flower garden that will make your neighbors jealous. With these tips and tricks, you can transform your front yard into a stunning and envy-inducing oasis. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more gardening tips and tricks. Happy gardening!